say boom?
Cameras rolling.
All right.
Let's go. Top thrill 2.
Yes.
Are we ready for it?
I'm ready. Are
Yep.
you ready?
I'm ready. Here we go.
All right.
First front of the train ride here.
Yes. I'm looking forward to this. We've mainly had middle and back row rides for the most part, so I'm looking forward to something closer to the front.
Yeah, this is exciting. If you're just watching this for the first time, like, you got to get here and ride this.
Yes.
All right. About ready to launch.
Yeah. It's so surreal being back on this track. I love it.
Yeah, it's been so long and it feels so good to be back. But, oh, here we go.
That's our cue.
Woo! Oh my goodness.
All right, nowhere to go but back.
Let's launch backwards. Woo! Let's go! Whoa! Look at everybody down there.
I know, it's so tiny.
Woo! The air time.
All right, there's launch.
120! Woo! Oh man, that is intense.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh
Wow.
Woo! Woo!
That is amazing.
Oh my goodness. What a ride.
Oh. If you've ridden the original dragster, and if you remember how slow sometimes it go over the top hat, whew,
Nope.
You could probably tell from the video, we went flying over that thing.
It may have grayed out a little bit. That was amazing.
Oh my gosh. Whew.
Woo! Let's go.